Hello everyone! Potatoes and fast food from potatoes are certainly not unfamiliar to us. But I bet not all of us know how to grow potato fields with bumper crops. Today, let's find out together how American farmers grow endless potato fields. Click the subscribe button to not miss any of the interesting videos we bring. Today, we will delve into an inspiring story about how American farmers grow golden, fresh potatoes on the dining tables of millions of families. Potatoes, a seemingly familiar and simple food, have a production journey full of labor and challenges. Come with me into the world of agriculture, where every potato field is a story of hard work, innovation, and passion for the land, for the plants, and for taking care of our families. We should respect these values in our lives. Would like to introduce to you the famous potato growing states in the US, such as Idaho, Wisconsin, and North Dakota. These lands are very suitable for potatoes. These are the lands considered the kingdom of potatoes, where millions of tons of potatoes are produced annually to serve domestic needs and also export to many other countries. American potatoes are very popular because behind each potato is a meticulous production process, from seed selection, planting, care, to harvesting and post-harvest processing, all to have the best and safest products to the market. First, let's talk about seed selection, a seemingly simple step but plays a decisive role in the success of the entire season. American farmers have to spend a lot of time researching, testing, and choosing the most suitable potato varieties for each land and climate conditions of each region. In Idaho, with ideal soil and climate conditions, farmers often choose potato varieties that are strong, ensure limited and high capacity. Meanwhile, in Wisconsin and North Dakota, the selected potato varieties must be able to withstand cold and pests well. Choosing a variety is not only an art but also a science, requiring in-depth understanding and many years of experience from the farmer. Once the best potato variety has been selected, the planting process begins. Planting potatoes requires meticulousness and care from the stage of soil preparation until the young plants begin to sprout. Previously, the soil had to be weeded, plowed thoroughly to ensure that the potatoes had enough nutrients and the most favorable growing environment. The soil also needed to be rich in fertilizer, usually organic fertilizer, to provide the nutrients necessary for plant growth. Planting must be done at the right time, usually in the spring, when the soil has warmed up enough for the potato plants to incubate and grow well. This is a process that requires skill and struggle, because every decision made at this stage can affect the quality and product of the potatoes later. Next comes the potato care stage, a seemingly simple task that requires a lot of skill and attention. Farmers must regularly check the soil moisture, ensuring that the potato plants have enough water but are not waterlogged, as this can lead to root rot. In addition, they must monitor the growth of the plants, find ways to control pests and harmful insects, and protect the plants from adverse weather factors such as frost or harsh sunlight. During this stage, farmers must always be vigilant and ready to respond to any situation that may arise. They know that even a small mistake can cause great damage to the crop. And then, when the potato fields begin to turn bright yellow, signaling that the potatoes are ready to leave the ground, it is time to start harvesting. This is the stage that everyone looks forward to, because it is the result of many months of hard work. In the US, potato harvesting is often done with modern machinery, making the work faster and more efficient. However, it is not always possible to use machinery, especially on small farms or in areas that are difficult to access. In these cases, farmers still have to pull up each potato plant by hand, carefully checking each tuber to ensure they are of the best quality. After harvesting, the potatoes will be transported to factories for cleaning, sorting, and packaging. From here, they will be put into the distribution system, reaching consumers across the US and many other countries. This story is not only about potatoes, but also about the constant innovation and development of the US agricultural industry. Farmers not only rely on traditional experience, but also apply modern scientific and technological advances to the production process. From using genetically modified potato varieties to enhance resistance to pests and harsh weather conditions, to applying automatic irrigation systems, soil moisture sensors and drones to monitor fields, all aim to improve productivity and product quality. Thanks to these efforts, American potatoes have always maintained their position in the international market, and consumers around the world always trust the quality of this product. When potatoes are harvested from the field, their journey is just the beginning. They are taken to state-of-the-art processing plants in the United States, where advanced technology ensures that each potato is perfectly handled from the moment it leaves the field to the moment it lands on your plate. The process begins with a thorough washing, removing any dirt and impurities. Automatic washing systems with high-pressure nozzles and soft brushes ensure that each potato is thoroughly cleaned, preparing it for the next step. After cleaning, the potatoes are moved to sorting. Here, optical machines classify the potatoes by size, shape, and color. Those that pass the test continue to be processed, while those that do not pass are discarded. With high precision, this system ensures that only the best potatoes are selected. Next, the potatoes are sent to an automated peeling stage. They are then cut into a variety of shapes, from thin slices for fries to cubes for salads. Each step is carried out consistently to ensure quality. The subsequent processing will vary depending on the final product. For example, French fries will be fried in hot oil, then quickly cooled to retain their crispness. Other potatoes may be boiled, frozen or dried to create mashed potatoes, frozen potatoes, or dehydrated potatoes. Each step is closely monitored by a quality control system, ensuring the final product meets safety and delicious standards. After processing, the potatoes will be packaged in protective packaging to ensure that their flavor and freshness are preserved. They will be stored in cold storage before being distributed to supermarkets and stores around the world. Dear friends, the journey from the potato fields to your table is truly a wonderful story of the combination of tradition and modern technology. Thank you for joining us to explore this elaborate processing. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next interesting stories. Leave a comment to share your thoughts and help us improve. We appreciate your support and hope to continue to bring you interesting content in the future.